There's a private key that's in your wallet. If someone gets that key, they can get all of your Bitcoins. If you lose that key, you lose access. So that the private key is on the device and it never leaves the device. It's very hard to do the wrong thing when you're using a device like this. You plug it into your computer when you need it. When you don't need it, you take it and you put it in a safe, you put it somewhere secure. Nobody has access to your private key. The private key never leaves the device. Chrome extension on your Chrome browser, and that's the size, and send transactions with your key. Plug the device into your computer, and it will prompt you for a name for the device, and that's so that you can distinguish for the device. And that's the PIN that you'll need to enter, tell you what your private key is so that you can write it down and store that away as a backup.
Introducing the Secure Wallet. The smart, secure way to protect your Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies wallet. It never connects directly to the internet, keeping your assets safe from cyber criminals. Off the Secure Wallet, you must first confirm the amount you are sending, shown on the Secure Wallet display. Then physically press the confirmation button to finalize the transaction. The Secure Wallet protects your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, with more currencies continuously added.
Essential to ToP's groundbreaking design was our philosophy.
It's the world's most secure cold storage wallet with military-grade security. Transactions are done through a dynamic QR code to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. Even firmware updates are done by inserting a TF card.
You are required to authenticate the device on our website. This ensures that ToP's encryption chip, which stores your key, wasn't tampered with in the supply chain.
Introducing Aura Saifu, the first of its kind, all-in-one solution for your asset storage, transaction, and recovery. It's organized and accessible at your fingertips. You can use For cryptocurrency users, you can use Aura Saifu as a cold wallet. And unlike this one-tap recovery solution provides an effortless way to recover your data. For crypto users, the beatball can also replace the recovery words more securely. So join us today to create the future of digital asset security.